Very good morning children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain about assignment 10 from ninth class. The topic is surface areas and volumes from exercise 10.2. So let us see the few questions which is assignment question. The first one is the volume of a cylinder is 308 centimeter cube and its height is 8 centimeter. Find its lateral surface area and total surface area. So before going to that, first we have to find the radius of the cylinder. Let us take what is given in the data. Given that, let us take it as what is the height of cylinder, that is height of cylinder can be taken as h is equal to 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. What is the volume? Volume of cylinder. Volume of a cylinder, what is given as 308 centimeter cube. 308 centimeter cube. What is the formula to find volume of cylinder? That is pi r square h is equal to 308 centimeter cube. So where pi is nothing but what? 22 by 7 into what is r, we don't know, and h will become 8 centimeter is equal to 308 centimeter cube. So first of all you have to send all these terms except r square to RHS part. It will become like this. So 7 into 308 upon 22 into how many times it is? 8. Yes, let's take, there is total how many times? So here 4 2s are 477 times. 477 times. Let's take it as what? 11 7s are 11 2s are. So that r square will become 7 into 7 upon 2 into 2. So let's take it as what? R square will become 7 by 2 whole square. So that what is the value of radius of cylinder? It will become 7 by 2 centimeter. So r is equal to how much? 7 by 2 centimeter. Can be taken as radius of cylinder. So after that we have to find lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is nothing but what? The formula. Lateral surface area. The formula is nothing but what? It is a 2 pi r h. We know each and every value, radius as well as the height. Just to simplify this one, 2 into 22 by 7 into radius, how much it is? 7 by 2 centimeter. 7 by 2 into what is the value of height of the cylinder? 8 centimeter. So here 7 will get cancelled and 2 also will get cancelled. How many times? 22 into 8. This will become, that is 176 centimeter square. 176 centimeter square. After that, next we have to find what is the TSA, total surface area. That is nothing but what? TSA can be taken as, the formula is 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h. Where 2 into pi is nothing but what? 22 by 7 into radius of cylinder is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into what is r? 8 plus 7 by 2. 8 plus, so radius of height of cylinder is 8 and radius of cylinder is 7 by 2. So let's take that as, is there any cancellation here? 7 will get cancelled and 2 will get cancelled. So let me take it as 22 into, what about this one? 6 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16 plus 7, 23 upon 2. 23 upon 2. The product of this one, here how many times? 2 1s are 2 11s are. Let me take 11 into 23 will become how much? That is 253. 253 centimeter cube. 253 centimeter cube. This is nothing but what? It is the total surface area of given cylinder. Let us move on to the second question. A metal pipe is 77 centimeters long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. The outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Find inner curved surface area and outer curved surface area. The third one is the total surface area. Right? So before going to find this inner curved surface area, first we have to find radius. So he is given only diameter, no? So first we have to convert it into radius. That is, given that the height of cylinder, height of cylinder h is equal to 77 centimeter. 77 centimeter. Next, what is outer inner diameter? Inner diameter, let me take it as inner diameter. He is given small d is nothing but what? It is 4 centimeter. So that what is the radius, inner radius, it will become half of the diameter, will become what, 4 by 2, it can be taken as 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Okay. Similarly, so how we are going to find inner curved surface area? The inner curved surface area, inner CSA, that is called CSA. That is formula is 2 pi r h. We have to take the small letters. So where pi is nothing but what, 22 by 7, and what is the radius of the cylinder, that is 2 centimeter, and h will become 77, will become 77. Is there any cancellation here? 7 ones are 7, 11 times, so that it can be written as 2 to the 4, 4 11s, 44 into 22, 44 into 22, it will become what, there is totally 968, 4 to the 8, okay, 68 square centimeters. It is nothing but what, inner curved surface area. Similarly, we have to find what is outer curved surface area. So before going to that, first what is outer diameter? That outer diameter capital D is equal to 4.4 centimeter. So that what is radius? What is outer radius? That is from here to here. That is nothing but half of the diameter, will become 4.4 by 2. So that what is outer radius? That is 2.2 centimeter. 2.2 centimeter is the outer radius. So we know the value of radius of a circle, outer radius of a cylinder. So let me take what is outer CSA, outer curved surface area of cylinder. Let me take the formula 2 pi capital R H. So there is no change in the height, is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into what is the capital R, that is 2.2, into what is the height, 77. There is no change. Is there any cancellations? Yes, 7 ones are 7, 11 times. Okay, just to multiply together. So 11 times of 22. Yes, here it is 22 into how many times? 22. 22 into 2.2. What is the 22 into 22 will become 484. 484 into 2.2. So the what is product of this one? It will become nearly 1000. So the total outer curved surface area of the cylinder will become 1063.8 square centimeters. Likewise, we can find the next one is total surface area. Next, we need to find total surface area of a cylinder, the TSA. So how we are going to find total surface area of a cylinder? So if you take top and bottom, it is in the form of a circle shape and will become a ring type. Okay, so that the difference between these two spaces, will take it as what, capital R minus small r. Okay, so in order to find total surface area of the total figure cylinder, that is nothing but what, area of inner CSA, plus area of outer CSA, area of outer curved surface area plus, so there is a two, no, that is a top and bottom, so we have to take twice, that is twice of area of the base, so that we have to take 2 times of the base of a cylinder. So let's take what is the area of inner curved surface area, that we have obtained it as what, 968 square centimeters. Yes. Now what is the area of the outer curved surface area, that is 1000. So as we have completed, no, that is how much, 1061.8 centimeters square, that is 1063, I think 63.8 centimeters square, plus what is the twice of area of the base, that is nothing but what, 2 into area of the base, means that area of the base is circle, that is pi r square, but it is pi into r square will become capital R square minus small r square. This can be taken as what is addition of this one, this is a 0.8, next 8 is 1, so 1 point, next will become add the remaining one, 6 plus, that is 13, so that it will become 20, okay, 2031, yes, 2031.8 plus 2 into, in the place of pi you just replace with what, 22 by 7 into what is the value of capital R, that will become 22.2 whole square minus 2 square. Okay, just to simplify this one, 2031.8 8 plus 22 2s are 44 upon 7 into what will become, it is a square minus b square. A plus b will become 4.4 into a minus b will become 0.2. What is the multiplication of all that? 2031.8 plus 44 by 7 into, what is the product of this one? So 88, that is 0.88. 0.88. Now what is the product of this one? So let's take 2031.8 plus what will become, it is 44 into 0.8. It is nearer to 1, so that we'll take it as what it is, 38.72 upon 7. Just we can rewrite this one. 2031.8 plus, so 7 5s are 35 and it is nearest to 5.3 times, that is 5.3. So just add these two, we'll get the total CSA. The total curved surface area. Total surface area of the cylinder is nothing but what? This can be added by 2031.8 and 5.3. Will become how much it is? That is 0.1 and 2037. Okay. The total surface area will become 2032.1 square centimeter. Let us move on to the third question. A rectangle piece of paper 11 centimeters into 4 centimeters is folded without overlapping to make a cylinder of height 4 centimeter. Find the volume of cylinder. So he is given what is the height of the cylinder, it will become, it should be 4 centimeter. And what is the dimensions of rectangular paper? That is 11 centimeters into 4 centimeters. In this case, so without folding we need to prepare cylinder now with a height 4 centimeter. So that the length of paper becomes circumference of the base of cylinder. Circumference of the base of the cylinder. Right. Now next, width will becomes height. In this case, width will change to height. Now width become height of cylinder. Let's take what is the circumference. That circumference is equal to 2 pi r, which is in the shape of a circle. So what is this 2 pi r will become, it is nothing but what, 11 centimeters. How to take it is 11 centimeter. So 2 into pi, it is nothing but what, 22 by 7 into r, we don't know that r value is equal to 11. How many times? Here 11 ones are, 11 twos are. It is nothing but what, 4 r by 7 is equal to 1. So that what is the radius of cylinder, it will become 7 by 4 centimeter. So how to use this radius is equal to 7 by 4 centimeter to find the volume of. Here radius of cylinder is equal to 7 by 4 centimeters. We have to find what is the volume of cylinder. Volume V is equal to pi r square h. Now wherever pi is there, you just replace with what, 22 by 7 into what is the radius of cylinder, it will become 7 by 4 and 7 by 4. It will become r square into what is the height of cylinder. How much is given? It is the 4 centimeter. Here 4 will get cancelled and 7 will get cancelled. What are the here 22 into 7 by 4. So we have to cancel as this one. 2 2s are 2 11 times. So that what will become, 11 times of 7 will become 77 upon 2. Now what is the volume of this cylinder? How many times it is 30, nearly 77 by 2, it will become 38.5 square cubic centimeters. This is the volume of a given cylinder.